All right, friends, this is the lesson where we're going to bring the emotions and we're going to learn how to play some very beautiful, very emotional sounds. And the wonderful thing is that this is so easy to do. So if you are a total beginner, you can enjoy this. And if you've been playing for a long time, you can enjoy this. We're using 3 chords and only a few other notes. So let's take a look at what we're gonna do. We're gonna play E minor, so with our left hand, full chord, E, G, and B, C, which is C, E, and G, and then D, which is D, F sharp, and A. Easy peasy, no problem. So get comfortable there. And this progression is going to be what brings the drama. So what I want you to do with your right hand is you're only gonna start with 2 notes, E and E. And already, it's kind of sounding a little bit epic. You're wondering what the emotion might be. And then when you get comfortable there, we're going to add a little bit of, just a little bit of rhythm. So we're gonna do this. So it's just 2 notes, but immediately you're starting to like feel like a little bit intense. You're like, what's happening? Okay, 2 notes, lots of power right there. Now we're gonna add in the 5th tone of this E minor chord. So we're gonna go. Okay, so it takes a bit to get that rhythm down. But you can make this your own. You don't have to copy me exactly. And once you've got this, you could build some rhythm in the left hand. And I actually like adding in the F sharp. I'll show you here. And why that works so well is because that's the 3rd tone of this D chord, which is where we're landing on at the end of our progression. So it just feels like it kind of brings you almost home, but it still maintains that mystery because it's not the root tone of the chord. And then this kind of brings us into our next little thematic idea, which is going to be right here. We're just playing with the first, well, we're using 4 of them, but this is our palette. This E minor, all the notes of basically the first 5 notes of the E minor scale. So you can just walk them up one at a time and down. You could play around with the order, maybe skip. I like that. And repeat it. Once you get something that you like, hang out there. And then flip it backwards. I like that one. One more time. I kind of colored outside the lines there again. Landed on the D just to make it feel, because right, we're a D here, that it's complete. Lift it up at the end with that little F sharp, and then we could end where we began, on E minor. So, can you believe how simple that was? We did not use complicated ingredients to make what we just made, and this was just one version of many things that you could create using these ideas. So I hope you enjoy them. I hope they helped you to get in touch with your feelings a little bit, help you to express yourselves. Comment below, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.